To make watermelon mojito, I'm using some fresh watermelon cubes. So put some watermelon cubes in a tall glass. Add in some fresh mint leaves. Roughly break them with your hand. And some lemon slices. And now, with the help of a wooden pestle or just anything that you have, to just press the ingredients down to bring all the juices out. So I'm just pressing it with the pestle so that all the flavors are nicely combined. Now add in ice. Next, I'm adding Sugarlite powder because this is a healthier alternative to the normal sugar, and black salt. Next, fill the remaining glass with soda. I'm using plain soda. And stir all the ingredients well. Once the sugar is dissolved, garnish with some watermelon and lemon slices, and a fresh watermelon mojito is ready. Serve this drink chilled.